Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Now this is the second part of the first video, that is the four fundamental operations of the integers. Okay, now in my last video, in my part 1 video, we have discussed about the addition of integers. Similarly, now we are going to discuss about the subtraction of integers, multiplication and the division of integers. Okay, now number 2, subtraction of integers. Okay, whenever we are solving on the subtraction of integers, we must consider the sign. Okay, the bigger thing we should know about the subtraction of integers while solving the many problems of integers. Okay, and the sign is very much important. So I'll give you a few examples. A, subtract B, then subtract minus 8 from 9. C, subtract minus 6 from minus 8. Then D, 6 from minus 4. Okay, now again we must consider the sign while subtracting the integers. Okay, now subtract plus 8 from plus 5. Okay, then subtract minus 8 from 9, only plus 9 we can write. And C, subtract minus 6 from minus 8 and subtract 6 from minus 4. Okay, I gave you numbers, the different numbers. Now we have to solve the first, that is 8 from plus 5. Then first write plus 5, then minus, okay, then again plus 8. Subtract plus 8 from plus 5. That means we have to subtract this 8 from 5. Okay, don't be confused, because how we can subtract this 8 from 5? Okay, as you know that 8 is bigger than 5. So 5 is not bigger than 8. Many students think that we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger only, but that is not always considered in mathematical problems. We can subtract the bigger number from the small number also. Okay, that's why just write first plus 5, then minus, because we are doing the subtract, then plus 8. Now open the bracket, plus 5, then minus into plus, minus 8. Now again we have to subtract. That means 8 minus 5 is 3, and the sign of the bigger number is minus. Okay, now here plus 5 minus plus 8, then just write plus 5, minus into plus, minus, then 8 only. Now whenever the sign is different, that is plus and minus, you have to subtract. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3, and the sign of the bigger number is minus. So this is the answer of the A. Now B, again minus 8 from 9. First write 9 plus 9. Okay, now minus only, then minus 8. Understood? First write plus 9, then we are doing the subtract, that's why minus only, then minus 8 inside the bracket. Now plus 9, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, then now don't be confused, here we have to add. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, because we are doing subtract, but because of this sign only we have to add. The sign of the 9 is plus, the sign of the 8 becomes plus. Okay, that's why 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, now number C, minus 6 from minus 8. Minus 6 from minus 8, then minus 8, write minus 8, put the bracket, then subtract, then minus 6 inside the bracket. Okay, first minus 8 we have to write, then subtract, we have to write minus, then minus 6 inside the bracket. Now open the bracket again, minus 8, minus into minus, plus 6. Now the sign of the 8 is minus, the sign of the 6 is plus. We have to subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2, and the sign of the bigger number is minus. Okay, again I'll tell you, minus 8, minus into minus plus, then the sign is different, minus and plus. So 8 minus 6 is 2 and the sign of the bigger number is minus. Again, don't be confused, here we must not multiply minus into plus. So many students say that minus into plus minus, no, here is not like that, just subtract then put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, now last questions, 6 from minus 4, just at minus 4, you can put the bracket, no problem, then minus, then 6. Okay, you can put the bracket also, no problem, or you can write plus here, no problem, then minus 4, minus into plus, minus. Understood? Then we have to subtract 6 from minus 4. Okay, then first write minus 4, you can put the bracket, then minus because of the subtract only, then minus into plus, minus. Imagine there is minus sign always because this is the positive number, then minus into plus, minus. Now minus 4 and minus 6 we have to add. I told you in my last video that whenever the sign is same we have to add and put the same sign. That means minus 4 and minus 6, 10 and the sign is minus. Again many students say that minus into minus plus. No, you cannot say or you cannot suppose that minus into minus. No need to multiply it out here. Okay, we have to multiply the sign out here whenever we put the bracket. That time we can multiply the sign, but here we have to consider the addition and subtraction. That is minus and minus add and put the sign minus only. Okay, now we have finished subtraction of integers. Now I'll move to next, that is multiplication of integers. Number 3, multiplication of integers. Okay, first of all we should know, whenever we are multiplying the integers, integral numbers, integers, we must consider the sign. First I'll write the sign convention, that is plus into plus, plus, then plus into minus, minus, then minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus, then plus into minus, minus, then minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus. You must mark up this sign convention while doing the multiply of or the multiplication of integers. Now I'll give you the examples, few examples. A plus 4, then into, then 5 plus 5. You can put the bracket, no problem. Number A, number B, then minus 4 into plus 5, then C 4 into minus 5, then D minus 4 into minus 5. Okay, now first see, plus into plus, plus 4 5s are 20. Directly we can do, no problem. Okay, whenever you are doing the multiplication, just follow this sign convention, that plus into plus, plus. Similarly I'll do here plus into plus, plus 4 5s are 20. Finish. Okay, then B, minus into plus, minus 4 5s are 20. Just multiply the sign only. Then again here it is plus, it is whole number, it is positive number, so plus into minus, minus 4 5s are 20. Understood? Then D, minus into minus, plus 4 5s are 20. See, it's very much simple. Just you must know the sign convention while doing the multiply. It's very simple. Okay, plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus. Okay, plus into plus, plus 4 5s are 20, minus into plus, minus 4 5s are 20, no problem. Plus into minus, minus 4 5s are 20, no problem. D, minus into minus, plus 4 5s are 20. Okay, this much for the multiplication of integers. Okay, then number last, that is number 4. I'll just rub this one. Now division. division of integers. There is also sign convention for the division of integers, like plus divided by plus, plus minus okay. Don't be confused, it's very much simple, like multiplication of integers, division of integers, plus divided by plus, plus only, plus divided by minus, minus only, minus divided by plus, minus only, minus divided by plus, minus divided by minus, plus only. Or we can say plus into plus, plus, minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus, then minus into minus, plus. Understood? So now this sign convention we put in the examples of division of integers. Now A, divide, okay, divide A, that is 8 by 4, B 8 by plus 8 by minus 4, understood, then C minus 8 by 4, then D minus 8 by minus 4. Now okay, it's very much simple. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, or you can cut also, here you can cut or you can divide also. 4 twos are 8, 2, then plus plus, plus only, or you can say plus into plus, plus, no problem. Okay, then again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2, then the sign is different, that is minus into plus, minus, or we can follow this convention only. Whenever the sign is different, just put the minus only. Okay, then again 4 1, this is plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2, minus only, understood. Number D, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, the sign is plus. I am going to example again. Divide 8 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2, then plus only. Now plus 8 minus 4, then 4 twos are 8, and the sign is minus into plus, minus only. Number C, minus 8 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and the sign is minus, plus into minus, minus, understood. D, then minus 8 minus 4, then 4 twos are 8 only, then minus into minus, plus. This is the answer. Okay, and you can write this one also by 8 divided by 4 also. That's very much simple, you know, I hope you know. You can put this sign also, divided, or you can put this also. Okay, so this is the 4 examples of division of integers. I hope you understood the division of integers while solving by regarding the different sign. Okay, and I also hope that you understood my part 1 video, that addition of integers, and in this video we are discussing about the subtraction of integers, then multiplication of integers, and lastly the division of integers. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.